Hello folks, this is Sammy from RV Ready. Today I'm going to show you a video for a 2021 Jayco Redhawk 31F. That's who we are. We are Lake Elsinore. We have an indoor showroom and an outdoor showroom. Let's go for it. Very nice, sleek front cab, cut the wind very nicely. Running boards, side cameras, outside speakers. Very nice glossy exterior. Good storage, metal. Got plugs in here. Let's see, more storage. And then there's that big one up here. So let me go around. Got a ladder. I got rear camera. I have a hitch with a 7-way plug and a 7,500 pound receiver. And let's see, very nice, big, huge slide out. This is the dump station, the water pump, and all that other stuff. Nice storage, still storage, and a 4.0 Onan generator. Now let's go inside and show you what makes Jayco a Jayco, because they know what they're doing. Let's go inside. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start this engine, okay? Okay. Here's a look from the back. I'm sorry, from the front to the back. As you can see, very nice size sofa. Makes into a bed, obviously. Really pretty dinette with a very nice dream type dinette that just drops straight, no legs to be in the way. Very modern decor, cabinets. Look at this, very pretty. This is an 8 cubic gas electric refrigerator. And nice little pantry here. There's a drawer underneath, big drawer underneath the oven. And very large microwave, not those tiny ones. Very nice bunks. Look at those. Those windows are rain windows, so you can just turn them and flips out. And big drawers. As I walk through the bedroom, I'll show you the queen bed, curved corners, rounded. Lots of storage. Now this is very unique. This coach is a Class C with 2 air conditioners. That's the bedroom AC. You can't turn them on both at once at the campgrounds, but you might be able to turn both when you're driving with a gen, because it has like one of those power management systems. Very big. Nice bedroom. Let me go here and look at the bathroom. Okay, so 2 doors for the bathroom, through the bedroom and through the main hallway. Big shower. I wish the toilet was porcelain. It's not. Sometimes you can't get everything you want. So here's very nice big shower. And let me close that back up. Magnetic. Boom. Here's another look from the bedroom. TV. And that's the front AC. Now we have really big sleeping area with a TV mount. This is very, very unique on a Ford chassis. The front seats actually swivel. I left it this way because obviously I can't do it by myself with one hand holding a phone, but there you have it. So this coach has 3,100 miles, and this has, I don't know, a bunch of stuff here. These things are pretty cool, but it does not have navigation, not that I know of. Well, this is very pretty. Tall ceilings too. Let's see, what is that? I've got a gas and electric water heater. I've got heated tanks, which means 12-volt pads. And the generator's got like 4 hours on it. Come on, let's see if we got enough gas. I don't think we have enough gas. These things have a safety shut off on them. What do I got here? I've got, ooh, look at that. Leveling jacks. That's a big deal. Automatic leveling jacks on a Class C. That's a good $4,000 to $5,000 ad. Of course, it has a power awning. Yeah, I mean, there's a reason these guys know what they're doing. Look at that light over the slide out. Just very pretty. So come down and see us, folks. RV Ready in Lake Elsinore.